Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream.
Hello.
Ben is here.
Welcome, fellas. Welcome. Thank you, Tanya, for inviting me.
And yeah, we're going to have a good day, trading day. Yeah, Ben's here in New York, so I was like, why not? You see the studio from another angle from him.
You do. And we got the very, very fancy box around me.
Yeah. Maybe I can figure that out later, but let us know in the chat. Are you bullish, bearish, or neutral? Hi, Stephen Rittman. Okay, what's your bias?
Bearish. I don't know about you.
I've been bearish. Like, who was here on the Ninja Trader live stream? Who also watched that yesterday? Nailed like 100+ point NQ short. It was epic. Oh man, I've been bearish because yesterday I think we closed below the daily FEG there that we created, and here we are. We're dropping a bit, so this is gonna be fun. That'll definitely mark out previous day low.
Looking at what 930 did.
Yeah, Lumi will be coming in about an hour. Yeah, you're gonna see what 930 did. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, the highs at 835 and 853 were souped at 930.
Okay. Who's Ben? This is Ben. Ben SMC.
Benjamin SMC. Well, fellas, welcome. The beautiful people of Tanya's stream.
All right. We already started dropping in the morning here.
When I was in Wall Street, I asked Peter Tuchman, I asked him about 930, and he said he calls it hooligans and monkeys hitting drums and eating bananas, apparently. He says no one knows what happens at 930, and it just goes up and down, and you wait 5 minutes until 9:35 to do anything. But so far, that's a beautiful reaction on that fair value, yeah. Too much of a consolidation on the 5-minute, though. I don't know about you.
I know. I'm looking at. I just started off on the 15, so I'm not really gonna. It's a first presented FEG, definitely. I started off on the 15. Yeah. Yesterday we dropped off. Okay, we dropped off during London session. So I'm thinking New York continuation, right? So London high should definitely remain intact if I'm still bearish. If it's still going to be bearish, which it should be, it's London high. And then that was a drop-off during the London session. We did retrace like 7 o'clock up into that leg. But the question is, are we going to continue, like, make the second leg from here? We're going to go back up and take that buy side. I prefer us to take out the buy side. But I don't love that with them we moved lower. It kind of feels like yesterday. In that sense. If that were to happen. Okay. Put that as minor buy side.
Right now I drew out that daily Cibi. And it's beautiful if you look at that 4-hour, how it respects constant encroachment for 8 hours. More than that. No, sorry.
Yeah.
16 hours.
It did respect that midpoint. We have news at 10, someone asked. Do we? I think we How new home sales, maybe? Pending home sales, yeah.
Nothing
Trump
crazy.
is speaking at 4 p.m., so after market close. Okay. Honestly, pending home sales sometimes can be really good volatility.
What was the
or new home sales typically?
The unemployment claim statistic?
Unemployment, the actual was 206,000. They forecasted 223,000, so the numbers came lower than expected for unemployment, which is good for the economy. Which might mean like they don't want to cut rates, so that's why sometimes we'll drop on that. Okay, so at 8:30, yeah, we dropped a bit. We just swept that. Okay, I have my levels marked out. Because we honestly didn't retrace a lot into this leg during that 7:30. If we did retrace now, took out that minor buy side, then I'd rather look for shorts after that. If we just keep going, breaking lower and lower, then maybe we're just like a very bearish day and heading towards that previous day low, previous week low. Could be, because it's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday.
I think previous day low is very doable.
Yeah. If we're bearish, yesterday was Wednesday could have been the manipulation, and then Thursday expansion. London already moved down, could just move down lower again. Ben gets into a position, I'll show the RR on my chart. Let's see, first presented FEG. Cool. Okay.
I'm sure it's...
Yeah, you're maybe a little muffled. We'll see. Where is Lumi? Lumi is coming around 10 something. Around 10. Yeah, 10 a.m. Not p.m. Who watched our little short live stream yesterday from the, what was it? Summit 1 Vanderbilt.
One of your mods says 2 of my favorite people.
Oh, Nacho Video, you're best.
They seek and destroy. I don't think so. I think it's just a temporary 1-minute consolidation. We are already kind of breaking out of it. I think we just have to wait for 10 a.m. Personally, for me, the closer we get to the macro, the clearer it will get. You guys hear me, chat? Right. So right now I'm being patient. You can see there's a little bit of consolidation. So I call that time distortion. 9:30 open. I just wait a little bit. I don't think it's the greatest look right now for that 9:30. But I'm still bearish. I don't love how 9:30 also didn't manipulate that much. I mean, it did wick the relative equal highs from 837 and 853. But not enough manipulation for me. I think it's going to continue the consolidation. So we either trade up a little bit higher, take some more relative equal highs, or give us a nice displacement to the downside. Do I trade ICT concepts? I've been trading ICT concepts for 5 years now. I've been trading for 6 years. So yeah. I was about to say I'm 13 years old. I'm 19 and I started trading when I was 13 years old, in middle school. Been trading mainly just ICT concepts my whole career. Yeah, very young. Peter Tuchman called me 15 when I met him. He says, "You look like you were born in COVID." That's his words. Never seen or heard of Ben before, but I like the guy right off the bat. Thank you. I appreciate it, Ron. So we are moving up a little bit. I do think we're going to manipulate a little bit more. If you guys don't know, I'm a manipulation trader. I always wait for 930 manipulation. I always wait for the false move. I look for consolidate power 3. There's 2 profiles I look for. It's consolidation or accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or the expansion profile, which is in the first and second stage of the market maker buy and sell models. So it would be consolidation, expansion, or retracement expansion. I'm more of a higher time frame narrative type of trader, and then I think that's in the lower time frame. So right now I'm looking at how there's not really that much 930 manipulation, and it kind of triggers my circuit breakers in my head to be like, okay, take a step back. That's not exactly, because we did already take relative equal highs at 930, but I am waiting for a breakout of the range. So right now it's just chopping. It could be. It's not going to be power 3 in this, but it could be the expansion, retracement, expansion. You see that we are reaccumulating since 5 in the morning. So I'd probably wait for an expansion below that low that we formed, and then a retracement into an inefficient. Please speaking to your mic. Oh, I'm sorry. Should we just be on the same video? Oh, that was a long time ago. I do remember that. My passport and.
Let us know.
You're fine. Okay, thank you, Tony. Connie's mic is off. Yeah,
No, my mic is on right now.
Oh, it is on.
Let's see.
Technical difficulties, and it's my fault. I showed up late.
Yeah, but okay. The bias for the chat is 27% bullish, 61% bearish, and 11% neutral.
Okay. Not a lot of bulls here. Eh? I'm Canadian, so mind my A's. Ben ICT's gonna come here today? No way. We've been, I think, three months strong trying to get him to stop off on our streams.
Oh no. In neutral's a position too.
Neutral is one of the most important positions because without patience, without being able to sit on your hands, you don't get quality setups. I use it as a metaphor. When you go grocery shopping hungry, you're just going to see whatever presents itself first, not the healthiest option. When you go trading, wanting to catch a trade, you're going to take the first presented entry, not what's your model. What province am I from? Ontario. I'm from Toronto. Totally tell apart my viewers from yours right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What are they saying?
They're calling me Helmet Boy.
Helmet Boy?
Do I have a Lambo? No, I'm actually, funny enough, putting a bid on a Urus, but I don't have one right now, no. Am I going live or no? I'm in New York. Yes, sir, Ron. Go Bruins. That used to be my favorite hockey team. But right now we're just consolidating, guys, so I don't really want to do too many call-outs on different PD rates, because when you're in consolidation, you kind of want to sit back instead of trying to, like, dig in and try to find a bunch of PD rates in consolidation, because that just messes up your psychology.
Yeah. You can see here the first presented FEG isn't really offering much resistance, so I'm not like interested in right now. It shows like we're really just going back and forth a lot.
reading this morning. I don't think you guys should stay away and think it's going to be seek and destroy yet. I do anticipate that we're going to turn down lower and take previous day low. I just think it's time distortion from the 9:30 open. It can, for me, for my studying, it can extend all the way to like 10 a.m. Still be high probability.
Yeah, for sure.
We do have an.
I like the 10 a.m. news, honestly. So I like it when we have 10 a.m. news.
Ben, what is your favorite trading setup? So I trade 3 setups, which kind of protects me from having any FOMO. It's very interesting, actually. So the way the market reverses, again, I'm speaking on my opinions, is first it starts with turtle soups, then it goes to market structure shift, then it goes to IOFET. So those are it. First, it's the initial draw on liquidity, right? And then it's the shift in structure. And then later on, if you miss both those entries, you look for IOFET. So I look for power free, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And if I miss the turtle soup, I look for the market structure shift fair value gap. If I miss that, then the last leg is I need to find IOFET in a premium if it's short. So I use levels as well. But I mainly take IOFET entries. They're my favorite. We're in that 950 macro now, guys. So we can expect a little bit of volatility, but I still think 10 a.m. is going to deliver.
I hope 10 a.m. manipulates. I'm going to turn on your mic now. Back.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, okay. Ben dropping too much sauce? Am I speaking too much? Are the aliens gonna abduct me in their tinfoil hats? Missed you, Ben. Missed you too. I know I haven't traded in a day and a half. I feel sick. Not actually. Sounds way better. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so we're moving a little bit higher, which I do like for my bearish bias. Kind of sounds crazy. Like, why would I want to move higher for my bearish bias? But I want to see price action break out of this consolidation to the opposite side. You know, internal range liquidity sweep in the opposite direction of our external range liquidity draw. Is it your son? I'm not an it, first of all. Is it your son? Hey, Lumi. I took an Uber. We'll be there in 25 minutes. But you're in long? No way. Yeah. Guys, Lumi's in long. When I was with Lumi, all she did was she was just trading on her phone. It was so funny. RIP stop loss. We're not in the trade route. Yeah, we are retracing to the regular trading hour opening gap. So that could also explain why. Yeah, I think this bullish movement is expected right now, but I don't think that is the bias. I'm pretty strong on shorts. What do you think about quarterly theory by Trader Day? Day actually lives 20 minutes from me. I've never studied it though, so I don't want to put an opinion. Lumi said she took a partial. W Lumi chat. Did the airline find my luggage, Ben? Yeah, they did. They woke me up at 5 in the morning to pay $200 to get it back. So yeah, I love that bullish reaction. We're in that Bissy right there. I side imbalance, outside inefficient. But if you guys look at the high on the 1 hour chart and you see that 1 hour fair value gap bearishly, that's kind of where I want to see price action go to before we look for shorts. That takes relative equal highs. That takes like 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. highs. The 24,903. That's what I'm looking at. And then I want to see price action reverse from that. So it gives us a little bit of power free as well. So it'll be manipulating then distributing. BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So it's the bullish fair value gap. And a bearish fair value gap is called a city.
All right, 10 a.m. news is coming quick. It's coming soon.
5 minutes. Minus 5 minutes. Are we looking to turtle soup? No. I don't love taking turtle soups when it's coming from a consolidation like that. Especially, I mainly look for turtle soups when it happens right at 9:30. Pushing into 10, I want to see a confirmation. So we're in that 1 hour civvy. We have beautiful delivery of the highs. I think Lumi just TP'd, right? New York Midnight Open is final target. Also could very much reference Midnight Open here. There's another civvy above this one, which is also above Midnight Open, which beautiful reaction that I got so far. I'm not going to get into a trade just yet. I would look for short, me personally, if we start pushing down from here, which I don't think we will, but if we do, once we break 24,857, that little low there, I do think we have higher prices to reach to. What's up, Camwa?
All right, let's see what happens here.
And is there no consistency rule for Apex on the PAs? No. If you use code Tanya, there's no consistency rule for the combines. And you can pass in 1 day. EANJ, it's right there.
It's 90% off Apex right now.
They're saying echo.
Oh yeah, so I'll just turn off your mic because my mic picks up everything apparently. Because it's just I don't know, it's good. I don't know how they do it on podcasts. How do I do on noise gate? The noise gate shut off when the person's not directly speaking. I'll just figure out what the noise gate should be. My mic's still on. Yeah.
Tanya looks like a super nice person in real life. She is, guys. So look at that beautiful rejection that we have from that 1 hour civvy. I'm actually going to get my phone out and put the calculator on, just in case I need to quickly calculate my stop size. I use Trade-A-Day in connected.
You don't have to do that. You know, our tool, it's just gonna you can tell you how much to risk.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know how to set it up.
Well, I'll show you real quick. Just go on I'll show everybody. On the short, let's say, double click it. How much do you usually like to risk? Put an account size. Lot, put 1, and then risk 100%. Like this here, I put how much I want to risk.
Oh, wow.
And then here, we're on NASDAQ, so then right here it'll say quantity.
Yeah.
0.79. So that means 8 micros, if that's like my 30-point stop. If I drag it up, it's 5 micros now. It's a 48-point stop.
I've been training for 6 years and I just learned something. What happens when you hang out with Tanya for a day? I love that reaction to the downside. I'm actually maybe looking for something here. 5-minute wick is beautiful. 15-minute wick is beautiful. Just don't like how it's rejecting. Like I said, guys, I want to give range of that 24. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, word right out of my mouth. 10 a.m. did deliver, like we said, guys. 10 a.m. did deliver.
Oh, yeah, I manipulated just now, so I might actually look for shorts.
I love the manipulation prior to 10 a.m.
Listen, Tanya looks like she's 6 foot. That's wild, bro. What the heck? Trades. Okay, I might get into trades soon. We'll see.
I'm really close to getting into a trade.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't love the. It shows a lot of bearishness when it creates volume balances like that. But because we're still in that 1 minute consolidation profile, technically, although we did break out of the range, I just need a little bit more confirmation. Like that 1 minute wick that was just formed is not good.
Yeah, let's see the 5 here. No, I'd rather this 5 minute FPG get inverted or something. Yeah. I'm not taking this yet. Yeah, I don't like that 1 minute wick into a FEG, so. Meh.
Then how long did it take to become profitable? So since I started trading when I was 13 years old, I demo traded for a while. So it took me 4 years to get my first payout, actually.
4 years?
4 years.
Yeah, that makes sense, honestly. But like, it didn't exist yet. When did you start?
When I was 13. So
what year?
6 years ago.
2020.
Yeah.
Oh well, not many prop firms existed.
I used FTMO, and then when my funded Forex came out, that was the thing that I used.
Oh wow. Tanya Nuna, hi from Korea. Hi. Yeah, Jay told me to watch out for that. Hi. Hello. Oh, people from Jay's
definitely
community.
Jay's in here. Are you guys all from Jay?
Yeah, Lumi will be here maybe like 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna have an alert here on this low, and then if we get back below that low, then I'm gonna just go for that.
I think it could also be referenced to the net open and then reverse. I don't know about you, but I find the price action doing this, it tends to use the net open like a lot to re-reference before it reverses. You know what I say? Minute open is the smart money VWAP. That's what I say. I think it's treated. It's treated very similar.
Smart money VWAP. Okay.
Because I look at minute open as the equilibrium of the daily range, right? And it'll re-reference it. If it's very bearish, it might re-reference it instead of taking highs. And then the VWAP is basically the equilibrium of the current range. That changes. Crazy push up though. That's minute open. Lumi, are you still in your trade?
We could go back into the daily study, and we might. Someone said I look like I'm 6 foot. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Because your chair is taller than mine.
Uh-oh. I am taller than you. No, I don't think so. I think we're the same height.
Guys, I'm 5'2". Yeah.
That was what Lumi told me. She was like, "You're not that tall. Everyone says you're so tall."
Somehow.
I'm maybe like an inch taller than Lumi. Tall for a girl though. 5'9".
You're out on longs. Did you take profit?
We just hit midnight open.
Or did you hit break even? Did you hit midnight open? Yeah, we did. Beautiful. Well, actually, we didn't actually hit it.
My mug that my friends got me.
Oh my god.
So I like The Office. So if you're an Office fan, you get it.
Yeah.
Got me it for my birthday a couple years ago. Someone said Lumi get here already. We'll have to, meet Lumi here. Lumi will be sitting right next to me. So that, we have 3 screens here anyway. But she looks straight off her phone anyway. Yeah, she said that she didn't bring her New York. I mean, she didn't bring her laptop to New York.
Yeah.
But I gave Ben another monitor as well. That is funny. I could never my phone.
Me neither.
Because I actually used to when I was trading options.
Yeah.
Because honestly, Thinkorswim is so annoying on the desktop. It's just so clunky. So then I would just chart on my computer and trade from my phone, but like just trading and charting from the phone is a no for me.
I remember when I was unprofitable, on days I'd be too tired to just like roll over and turn on trading view and trade on my phone, but don't do that anymore. We have a nice reaction here, but once again, like I need to see some sort of structure break. It could just be higher than the liquidity run. The upside. But I still think shorts are so much in the picture.
I think so too. I think if we reject midnight open, that's a good sign. So I have that low drawn out in case it does.
I'm put that in the corner. Wow, that 15-minute chart looked beautiful. The downside. I mean, it's ugly consolidation, but I might be. Good morning, Nutty Bar.
Hey, Nutty, how are you?
Oh, inefficiencies are forming to the downside right now. So, still gonna sit on our hands. Are you guys address me, brother? We'll meet again.
Safe flight. It did beautifully fill that regular trading hour gap array. It did. And now it's starting to reject to the downside. That's what's picturing. That's what's in my eyes, but there's no respect of any inefficiencies. So to the downside. I don't want to get into the trade just yet. But not right now.
Yeah. You should have taken the 15-second fair value gap. Oh no, I missed the whole trade. Some people just do 5-minute for the whole day, and they are very profitable. Let's see.
I'm about to get in the short here. I just want to see a little bit more of a push down. My
Yeah.
target will be for 3 RR at that 937 low. Just want to see that inefficiency get disrespected.
Alright, Ben will enter this 1 minute gets inverted.
Yeah, not if it gets inverted, but once it gets inverted, it gives me a nice reaction. Like, I'm very picky on the reaction. So I'll let you know when I'm in short.
Alright.
So we could form a failure. If we form a failure into that high before we push down low into it, that would be even better. But so far I'm still flat. I'm not thinking anything. We're close, but
We're gonna try our gap fill. Yep.
Alright, cool. Yeah, I think I'm waiting for that too. But ES did break that, honestly. I do like that we took out that minor buy side. We tapped midnight open, we rejected. It was we definitely reached into here, midpoint or higher. And then, now we're rejecting. I'm just waiting for a 1 minute structure shift. ES already had it. Quickly.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see.
Very close to getting into a short here, guys. Very, very close. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a nice reaction here. Try to get into a short. We traded into that inefficiency, but we didn't disrespect it. If we disrespect it, I'll get into short, but right now, nothing.
So, like, would you enter just on like the inversion, the closure of the candle?
Yes.
Okay. You're not waiting for a retest or anything.
I think since we just manipulated it, I don't think we need a fill of a fair value gap. We just need a fair value gap. Show bearishness and price action.
Yeah, I agree. Because like, if you wait for so much confirmation, sometimes it's just gonna go without you. It's not gonna retest because it just manipulated. Maybe it just wants to go. It doesn't want to give people a chance to get in if they didn't read it right.
Big storm where I am.
Oh, there's a storm in Canada?
There's still the storm, and it's actually getting worse. Alright, I gotta focus here because I might get in the short. Got 20 seconds to see a nice body closure. Oh, okay. I was literally holding the trigger. I was like, I'm about to get into short here, and it rips. That's the worst. That's the worst, chat. You can get a repo. Okay, I'm gonna get into short here. I'm in short, guys. I am Benjamin SMC is in short with my stop loss. My stop loss is at 24,924. I don't like that reaction though. It should be ripping on. We'll see. No. My stop is at 24,924. Just a little bit above that short-term high that formed. That's my correction of that. I'm targeting 936 low. The logic for me for going into this trade is I'm not putting my stop loss all the way at the high because I want to anticipate low resistance liquidity run here. I want to anticipate more speed than usual. So I don't want, if price action starts slowly trading up higher, it just invalidates the logic behind my trade. So is there an inefficiency that left open on ES or did? Beautiful. Breakaway gaps are also extra confirmation for me. Shows even more bearish price action. Right now I'm resting in 2K profit. Viewers are pushing. Ooh, not a good reaction there.
I'm in the same trade as Ben right now. I forgot to unmute myself. Okay.
We should get a good body reaction here in 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's true.
Just for the people that are new to this stream, if you're from my stream
or if you're from Tanya's, at the end of the day, regardless if you're copying your trades or not, the most important thing is risk management. Every trader takes wins and losses, but the profitable traders are the one that manage their losses.
Yeah, we might actually get stopped soon. We'll see.
Terrible one. Alright.
I'll put you here. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look at you right on the screen here. Yeah, we can do that.
Alright, let's see reaction. Just stop the same place one minute.
The 25. I'm pretty much the same, right? The 25. Yeah, pretty nasty. Nasty. ES is coming into this 2 minute. There is still hope. If ES rejects from this 2 minute over here. There's still hope.
Alright, I'm out. Perfect risk management, 900.
Okay, I got stopped. Oh no! Alright, well, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board.
I'm not going to be bullish, chat. I just think it's a lower probability. I'm just going to wait a little bit until it pushes down lower again. Then we'll take one loss and then have 3 wins in a row. Usually that's what happens is I'll take one loss, half of my stream will leave, and then I'll make 200 grand in a trade. I'm kidding, but that's usually what happens is I usually take a loss and then I win a bunch of trades after.
Yeah, that'll happen. Yesterday I was looking for shorts all morning. I didn't want to get long. I was bearish just like today. And I got into a similar stop out and then got into an epic short during the Ninja Trader.
What that reaction?
Peter Tuckman faked us out, you guys.
The market maker's fault. They saw our stop loss. You can destroy Dave? I don't think so. I think it still has range. I still think it's going to the downside. It has a bias. It's just, we moved quite a bit earlier on in the morning, so I think it's reaccumulating. But again, look, you have a failure swing to that high here, so I actually might get a re-entry here. But by the way, I limit myself to 3 trades a day. After that, I just get out. Yeah, look at that reaction right there, Tanya.
Market's so highly manipulated here. I should just put the stop at the high. I'll be okay. I'll take re-enter if we. Honestly, though, I'd want to just break the swing low here then.
Yeah, that swing low, that's a better form if it breaks on that. Stop loss is going. A little bit less or 2.27. It disrespects the inversion. I wouldn't even get into it.
I honestly, I want to go for previous day low, or even previous weekly low. So I'm not going to rush into another short unless it breaks this low and gives me an entry, and then I'm okay with going. Yeah, that'll be a 2.3 R to previous day low, previous week low. Let's see. It's way down there. Okay. Come on, Thursday. We need a expansion day right now.
Market makers are stream tonight.
Someone said market maker cooks Tanya like chicken. I prefer beef. Market makers heard their stop losses and took them out. Oh yeah, we're not gonna say the number anymore. You know, we won't say the number.
Maybe some mistake.
Some some high time frame algo is like listening and coding it as we speak.
Still no reaction to the downside. I'm bearish, but Chad, this is a little bit ugly right now. So in days like this, what's most important is not tilting. So either A, follow your model, follow your risk management, or B, not putting yourself in an environment where you would potentially tilt. So if you find that your psychology is not the strongest, walk away. I still think that, personally, for me, we can find a nice opportunity here. But I need to see a break in the line. Might get a re-entry here. This would be my last attempt on a re-entry.
So, like, what do you mean last attempt on a re-entry? And then let's say you take a loss and then you're, like, done for the session, right?
No, my last attempt meaning I'll wait for a whole new entry to form. Like either an IOFED entry out of a market structure. Probably.
We trade really similarly then.
I got in short.
We're breaking this low right now. I'm pretty interested in getting short again.
I got a little bit of slippage on this, but
it's not shabby.
Where's that be?
I don't know.
4702. We'll see, guys. We'll see. But the markets are a little bit choppy today, so can't promise you guys anything crazy.
I don't love that ES didn't take out that low at 10:11. So I'm kind of holding off right now. I was waiting for a 1 minute FEG. It's on the 30-second though, to be fair. But I'm personally not in short. You're putting your stop at the. Oh wait, we're not seeing any numbers right now. I'm not saying anything. The last one, huh? Yeah. Thank you. All right, Ben's in this trade right now.
Not the greatest though. Anticipating a breakout there, but honestly, with price action, you gotta have a little bit of a bigger stop loss today.
Yeah, recently I've had to have like 60-point stops, easy.
By the way, guys, I am trading the challenge accounts that I'm doing on my stream. I'm doing a challenge. I'm trying to be the first trader to get a 7-figure payout from all on stream, showing every execution of every process. So I am doing that because I am paying. Very ugly reaction, but it's just not. No one on either side of the markets are winning right now. No one on either side of the markets are winning right now. That's why there's no feed, whatever, no emotions. Third scale love.
Yeah, bro, it's ugly PA today, and like I am annoyed because I want Thursday to be expansion, a clean expansion, especially if we rejected that daily sippy. We came back, we rejected midnight open. Like, why can't we have a clean move lower? It's because most of you guys, most of chat is bearish, is what we talk about on the stream. 61% of the chat this morning at the poll said bear. In my experience, when there's 60 plus
on one side, it crowds out the trade, and it's going to be not a clean delivery. And this is happening today right now because it's 10:25.
No emotions though, guys. Absolute straight face. Tanya is the best. Like, even outside of the markets, Tanya's emotions are flat. Like, we were late for stream because I showed up late, and she was like, I don't know how she does that, because when I'm 5 minutes late, I'm running all over the place like a rabbit. Like, I gotta get on stream.
It's just like you can expect some things. I honestly expected. I'm like, okay, there might be some traffic in New York while you're in the Uber over here. Oh, okay, it's just part of life, and there's some things you can't control, and that's including like the market. And you could either freak out about it, or you can just be like, okay, that's how it is, and we're just gonna have to adjust. And then honestly, in my experience, I used to rush everywhere, and it makes me later because your mind is cloudy, and then you're like forgetting more things, and then you have to go back and get the thing that you forgot. Like it just adds too much. Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah. Because it's just experience.
That comes with me when it comes to losses. I take losses in life and trading. I don't. Part of the process. But when I'm late, I don't know. No one can say anything. I'm just still gonna be like, I gotta go. I just hate being late. But I underestimated the speed of how people move here in New York. Not urgent.
Oh yeah, I get road rage on the sidewalk in New York City. I'm like, why? There's 3 people blocking the sidewalk right now, and they're going at a snail's pace. This is unbelievable. Like, I can't even overtake them on the sidewalk. Like, I think about that.
So that trade on the right, that's my trade, yeah, right? Or is that what you're looking for?
That's your trade, okay. I believe, right?
Yeah.
I'm kind of looking for ES to break the 10-18 low. I'm just waiting maybe for the low to break again, and then I'll enter.
That's funny because our SD kid says in chat, I'm walking here. I was walking with Eddie, and it was you. And this guy just bumps me in the shoulder and says, I'm sorry. And I said, hey, I'm walking here. I'm glad he didn't hear that, but because I probably wouldn't be here streaming. Greed is my only problem. Greed, I say, comes from a lack of trust in you. A lack in trust that your system will show up and give you the results that you need. Because I found that when I stick to my system, I make the most money. So me being greedy is actually delaying me progress, making me get my money slower. So it's all emotions is just a lack of faith and trust in your system. And to get more faith and trust in your system, you just need to study it more and just be on the charts more. That's why the more experienced traders are more profitable, usually, because they just have more time on the markets.
Yeah, I think experience is the best teacher. Okay, ES about to break this. You didn't get stopped out, right? Because you gave it a more healthy stop. Yeah, that's good.
When I identify this type of price action, I go for bigger stop losses. I give it breathing room because thank you, Ron. Ron is so nice. How come I don't have any of these nice viewers in my... Your stream is so nice.
Why the glass is orange? It's a blue light glasses.
Yeah, I'm in short, so that tool on the right that you see is my short position.
Mm-hmm. I might get into shorts soon because ES did break this low. So that's looking good. The NASDAQ making FEG. Not really. We're very sloppy, I guess, on the 30 seconds. So I'll be willing to take that short there soon.
That's why it's nice to see you.
Aw, that's cute.
That's cute. I like this reaction. I just can see it break down below the that low hanging fruit. We need some sort of displacement. Price action is clearing up a little bit. You see there's more inefficiencies that are being formed in this price run, so this gives me a little bit more confidence that this is the price run that will probably push lower. Don't want to speak too soon, but me personally, it looks like this could be the one that pushes us lower.
I just entered, so let's go.
Basically, same fill.
Yeah, I just had less to wait.
Where's your stop?
I'm about to put it in. I'm about to just put it on this high now. I think that's reasonable. Yeah. Let's see, we broke a low. That breaks. Then so this swing, this FEG will fail. This one up here, and this swing high, and yeah. All of this is a breaker. Yeah. No, I feel comfortable doing that. I'm not going to say exactly where I stop. We can't have the MMs hunting us again.
You're watching.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do it. What? This is basically my trade on the chart. There. I think we have similar.
The reaction again. Sometimes there's nothing you can do, guys. It's just gonna manipulate you. So you gotta just. The second you try to force it is the second you do yourself. I still think I'm not gonna close my trade right now. I'm still gonna let it run. You could just get failure swing high. But
yeah, I agree. That is nasty. It's like they waited until I entered right after. I swear. That's like. It's like, what the hell, bro? Alright, bro. Fair enough.
You're still in it?
Yeah, I'm still in it. I put it on the stream.
I still think it's fine. Yeah, it's like, we live and breathe these manipulation lines here.
Mm-hmm. Very true. Uh-oh.
Let's see.
They hate us. Yeah, I'm really close. I'm really close to my stop. It's really close to my stop. We'll see.
It's gonna go to CT in 2 minutes.
I feel like that would be wild. I don't know. I waited for the low to get broken again, and the low one has to get broken, so it's none of my business if it doesn't want to do that. Oh my gosh. I guess maybe the 5 minutes still not inverted here. But I thought it was going to expand there, so I'm like, okay, I'm doing that.
For me personally, I don't think there's any reason on why this is happening. I think it's just bad price action.
Stopped out. GG's. Damn. Sad. Annoying. You're not my good luck charm.
No, I'm not.
I am not. Guys, it's my fault. I'm sorry.
Yeah, IDK, bro. Did everything. Oh, we have.
I think
Someone's coming.
the good luck charm's here. Guys, maybe there's hope. What's up, Tanya stream? How's it going? Lumi is on her way. We gotta be patient. Price action is doing its thing. But the most important thing is your discipline and risk management. To sit on your hands. And what you see is you see a bunch of profitable traders, especially Lumi is coming in here now, and you're seeing us taking losses. So what can that teach you? that profitable traders are human too and they take losses. And it's not what they win that makes them profitable. It's how they lose, how they get their base hits, how they manage their portfolio to where when they get big wins, it actually does a difference. The most important things, and the only thing that us retail traders can have an edge for, and why I say retail is because we're not working at a hedge fund. We're not working at the New York Stock Exchange. The most important thing that we can have for our edge is our risk management. Lumi! Let me move over a little bit.
Guys,
Lumi is here.
how are you today? I felt so dizzy. Oh my god.
What's why did this stuff funny?
Hey guys, where's the chat? Where is this? Oh, I got it.
I'll have it open. One sec.
How are you?
I'm doing good. We are taking a few losses, but we're okay.
I'm looking on
On our phone in the Uber.
Yeah. From the bottom.
Guys, Lumi's already flexing on us.
I will explain why it was kind of easy. Breathe focus. Trust me, bro.
Okay. Let's see.
So what we have now? We still reject New York with not open hard to long this.
Yeah, it is hard to long this. I don't know. We just took 2 losses.
Oh, you short, right?
We tried a short here that stopped out immediately, and then I entered. Ben was in, was holding on. It came back down. I decided to short here, stop here, and just ignite it up. It was so funny to me. Yeah.
Short, yeah, I would say probably I would wait for break of structures and downsizing on 1 minute chart at least. So where you put alert, short below this level. So 8.15 below 8.50 probably short. Yeah, right below your alert.
Yeah, that's where it broke 8.56 here. That's why I tried it. I don't know. At this point, I'm putting the 5 minute up here, and I'm ready to get hurt again if it breaks this low with FEG.
5 minute chart quite bullish.
Yeah. But it's just faking us out, I honestly believe. Honestly, yesterday, when it was digging up, it's just accumulating. It feels very similar to me, at least.
I noticed, especially last 2 weeks, best attacks happened between 9:30 and 9:45, and right after this is just DS price action. Not tradable.
Yeah, Lumi talks like a PhD professor. That's funny.
Well, guys, let me teach you.
Lumi comes in, she goes, alright, I'm the problem trader here. You guys do it wrong. This is how you do it. I gotta win on my phone in an Uber. Come on.
Okay, let me explain the reason why I took long. Let me open my executions because I have no idea where was my exact entry. How to show this actually. Labels, yes.
I think for either direction, unless you're Lumi, no one's winning.
Let's see if it's going to have focus.
It's more
To the upside, but still,
I'm not sure.
not the greatest.
I was waiting of liquidity sweep. Come on, please focus. Focus on phone. Please. I took partial at pre-market high. It was 8 a.m. high, 7:30 a.m. high. And final CP was New York midnight open. Not sure if you can see this because it doesn't want to focus right now. Idea is I use data statistic to trade New York midnight open. So normally on ES, not on Q or not in any other markets, on ES, if ES on Thursday, I collected 6 months data. If ES on Thursday opened below New York midnight open, guys, taking notes right now, it's important. If ES opened below New York midnight open on Thursday, we have 88% chance to hit New York midnight open. 6 months data. 88% chance to hit New York midnight open. On NQ.
What was your entry on the ES?
Yeah.
On the, did you wait for?
It's a visibility level. I was waiting for the next candle. I was waiting where we're going to close. If it's going to be sweep or closure below this level.
Oh, so you just enter like a turtle soup entry?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because it wicked it, and
Yeah.
then you put your stop there. All right.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
And let me tell you about information tracing. In here I have data as well. Here's my YouTube. For in here we have also interesting data, but it's Tuesday data, not Thursday. One sec. I'm going to find this.
Once again, I'm still bearish, guys. Still bearish. What about, are you still bullish, Lumi, or you think it's over? No, you're not?
No. On Tuesday, and you also 6 months data, guys. We have 67% chance on Tuesday to retrace back down to New York Midnight Open if we open above this level. So on Tuesday, on NQ, if we open above New York Midnight Open, we have 67% chance to retrace down to New York Midnight Open.
6-7.
And we have 73% chance on Tuesday once again. 73% chance to go to New York Midnight Open if we open below this level. On and two. Interesting data, 6 months data.
Who took notes?
I did. Are you said? I know.
I didn't just everything there, but it's
Yeah, everybody is at my place right now. Yep. It sounds good. I'm glad. Okay. ICT's in the chat. Where?
You're lying. ICT.
Where is he? I don't see it. We might.
Hey, Michael.
There's no way ICT. The one time I'm here with both Lumi comments still doesn't come and say hi to me. No way. No way he doesn't love you that much.
They just visited the New York Stock Exchange. How did you like it, Lumi?
It was cool. Like, it's interesting because there are no people there, like, no one. It just was empty.
Yeah, it was very empty.
Yeah,
right. Because it's only like market makers now, and that's basically it. Used to have 4 traders.
Well, they said all the traders taking like live executions are on a different floor now.
Yeah, but it's not. It's still not very big. Yeah. I think those are options. That's the options market. Yeah. Someone said, like, Lumi wait 6 months to enter trade on Tuesday. What does that even mean? Do you know what that means?
What?
Lumi wait for 6 months to enter trade on Tuesday.
What?
I don't know. Michael's watching from the shadows. That's funny. Yeah, Peter better watch out. It's funny. He watched the stream. You guys met him yesterday, right?
Yeah.
He's quite the personality. You guys, he just turned 80. I don't know. I hope I have that much energy and drive when I'm 80.
He's 80?
Yes,
wow.
He just turned 80.
Wow. That's crazy.
Are we guys in New York? Yeah, we're in New York
Yep.
City right now.
Yep.
Lumi, it was your first time, right? How do you like it so far?
I'm a city girl, so it's probably not for me. I like my Florida, my warm Florida. It's interesting experience, but it's okay to visit for 2-3 days, but probably I would never live here. Yeah.
Well, she said she hates it, you guys. Okay, we got beef now. We have beef. But, yeah, it's not for everyone. I'm born here, so it's different, and I feel like it's hard for me to leave because I'm so used to having everything around, any type of food, any type of entertainment.
Yeah.
Someone's asking you to repeat your stats.
I have video about this, if you want, like, watch this about New York Midnight Open. I spent 10 minutes to explain it. I'm not Ukrainian, by the way. Lots of people think I'm Ukrainian for some magical reason. But no.
People think we're sisters.
Yeah.
Or like some people thought we were the same person. I'm like, really? I don't see it personally. I think she has more Russian features and I have more like Balkan features.
Yeah, probably.
Your face is like more round. My face is more long, like oval. And you have like a cute little like nose. Like, it's a shorter nose.
Thank you for
and I have a
describing.
different kind of nose. I don't know. I think it's different.
Look at these guys. Hey.
Behind the scenes.
Hello.
Hey, guys.
Happy with another trade? Yeah, I got one more in the book.
Hello. Lumi's YouTube video vlog. What's up?
Yep. Hey there.
Party at Tanya's. I don't see. I feel like Fernando, let me know if ICT's in the chat. I don't know why people are saying that. I don't see him. Then he's ghosting you. They're trolling you. Oh yeah. No, he hasn't visited your chat. Apparently he's visited like 50. Someone
Every other streamer.
Like right now, us three are the top 3 largest ICT streamers on YouTube. ICT's in their streams every day and has yet to join my stream, and I've been streaming for what, 2 years? Yeah. He's like, I don't like you, Ben. I'm not going.
Okay.
Well, guys, what do you think about gold? Maybe we can place another trade on gold.
Someone wants Ben to wear blonde wig.
Yeah.
Just read that.
Are you trading gold? I feel like gold is going to consolidate. Didn't you guys look at gold last night?
Yes,
Yeah.
I trade as concepts. Yeah.
Gold's kind of garbage, especially the last 2-3 weeks. I started scalping gold in 1 minute chart. I don't trade 1 minute chart, but I started scalping for like 10 points. I don't really like it. Well, on gold. Hard to say right now. I'm gonna check hourly chart. Hourly chart looks garbage on gold, so not tradable, I would say. What about CL? Do you trade on the ES and MQ? Have you ever tried to trade like EUR futures, Japanese yen futures? Guys, which market do you trade normally? Share your trade. I already showed. I mean, it's just hard to focus for some reason. I took on micros. Once again, micros.
My brother just texted me saying my account got.
That trade I took risk gainer. I'm not sure if you can see executions. It just doesn't want to focus. Please.
Think here. She took the wick on the low on ES.
Yeah, it was right at market open, I believe.
9:30.
So, Lumi, are you bearish or neutral?
Well, I believe it can be manipulation right now. But see, we don't have any displacement from New York midnight open. That's actually a sign of consolidation.
Yeah.
So if I would like to trade continuation, I would probably wait for the break above New York midnight open, retracement down to 3-5 minute fair value gap long.
We are really tightly consolidating in that 4-hour fair value gap that we just formed and traded into. So I do think we can consolidate, but once we get that breakout, like I'm getting in that short because I do think we're going to previous day low today.
Let me check once again. It's really hard to say right now.
You
You trade NQ or yes?
NQ.
Let me check NQ.
Yeah, NQ's right here. What are you looking at?
Oh, okay.
Right here on the here.
It's for a chart, right? Okay.
This is the one.
Can you open weekly for 1 second?
The what?
Weekly chart. Weekly chart, daily chart. Okay, we have sweep here right now. 4-hour chart, please. 4-hour chart. We have order block. You know, we have weekly sweep, right, guys, right now. We got 4-hour order block, which confirming the sweep. So we got retracement down. So lowest level, yeah, probably is going to previous daily low simply because it lines up with 50% of order block. I cannot see market
Which
lower.
order block are you talking
This one, sequence of down close.
This one?
Mm-hmm, this big one. 50% right next to previous daily low. Mm-hmm, this one. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I cannot see market lower than previous daily low today. To be
That's what I
honest.
was targeting. It doesn't want
Oh,
to
I
give it
see.
to us.
It doesn't want to give it. It's just freaking consolidating.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's already okay.
Yeah, this is like a 4-hour. I don't mind that I took those shorts. We were rejected from midnight open, rejected from the 4-hour. We broke a low. It just doesn't want to go.
A little bit of a push down here. I want to see a disrespect on that inefficiency that we formed at 10:31. The hourly chart closes in 9 minutes. If we get a nice body closure below those fair value gaps, that would be nice. Sorry? I want to go to previous day.
Yeah.
I don't know yet. I probably do. So too?
Yeah, it's bar chart. This one. So this means C is too far, we just got sweep of this level. It's not what we want to see. If it's going to close below this level, it can be short. Even on 5 finisher. See, we cannot break this level yet.
Yeah.
Which means it's support, good support right now. If it's going to break this, it can be short. Below 802. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, I'm looking right at that inefficiency right there. PPR. I think more on the higher side. That is what but I won't take the trade, and when it kills it, I'll wait for it. But I'll mark that level out because it's to that, and then reaction to that, I'll like trade management. So you said 802?
I mean, we need to get the back now.
Yeah. I love that reaction. I do want to see, like, we are trading into that inversion fair value gap now. I'm only going to be taking one more trade today, so what my entry will be like now if it trades back below the open that it formed. Oh, sorry. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's Tanya. This will be my last trade files. Huge, pretty big stop loss, 76.
Get that.
50 contract.
I'm not doing an inversion trading yet. It needs to break, unless it's an inversion on the 5.
It's a DTR.
I did reversals.
Yeah, I'm not trusting a 1 minute reversal. Did I tried again today? I tried like twice. So it needs to be on the 5.
I'm done.
Yeah, I need it on the. I need to invert on the 5. I mean, like, I don't want to do. Yeah, this 1 minute. It's not my favorite thing in the world.
Are you going to the giveaway today?
Are we gonna do a giveaway? Who wants a giveaway? We need likes on the chat.
We got
369 only, so
come on, guys.
we need at least like 750 likes for a giveaway.
50 likes, we are going to the giveaway.
I am selling.
You re-entered?
You re-entered?
Yeah, that's my last trade of the day.
Alright.
We'll give her a shot. If she doesn't want to pay, then we disengage. Not fighting. Nope, no force.
Someone said only the guy trades. It's crazy considering I took a trade on my own stream.
I got some account codes to give away. I got 11 accounts here.
Damn, bro. He's got 11 accounts. But we need to have 750 likes.
Yeah, guys.
More likes than that, guys. Like up the stream if you want some accounts.
Someone said Tanya's stops get hunted quickly. I prefer that. But yeah, sorry, but immediately after I enter, it's not.
Yeah, you know, guys, when I'm grown, I prefer to be grown immediately.
Yeah, you know what? My trade was going good, Tanya, the previous one, and then you entered and then it reversed. I'm going to blame it on you.
I'd
Tanya's
rather,
fault.
I'd rather rip the bandage off. I hate being in consolidation forever.
Yeah.
Is he your brother?
Is he my brother is wild, bro.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah, I want to see inversion on the 5. Because honestly, he has bounce on. He has 8:30 and 9:30 open is exactly the same. Looks like.
Normally, when indices are inside consolidation, gold moves so good. We need to check gold right now.
You trade gold in AM session with me?
Yeah. Have you ever tried to check gold?
It is moving pretty well.
If index is just inside bearish consolidation, gold's so good.
It's very similar to NQ.
Oh yeah.
It's just a cleaner version.
What time it was? Oh, same time.
Someone's asking, is Ben in a short? Yes.
Yeah. It's cut risk, and it's my last trade. Ben, what's your channel? Can I do the promo? Benjamin_SMC on YouTube, guys. Benjamin_SMC. I live stream every AM session, PM session, and then Asian session on TikTok. Every single day, every trade. Don't take a single trade off of stream. I know. I'm a grinder for that.
Yeah, so what happens if you want to take a trade? Then you're going to start trading?
My model is I don't take a trade outside of session hours. So whenever it's session hours, I'm trading.
Don't trust 1 minute short.
Especially in high consolidation. Listen, I didn't go against my model once.
If it's going to be 10 AM open, nice. I guess it's going to be nice short below 10 AM open to New York 10 AM open. Around like 20 points. What happened?
It's going back up again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Scared me when you said, oh.
Where's Ben Stop? Someone's asking. Don't tell them. They're going to go first.
It's Stop the market maker's asking. Hold on. Reveal yourself. Guys, we're at 500 likes. If you guys want a bunch of giveaway accounts, I got quite a bit of accounts to give away to you guys. They're Apex accounts. What was I going to say? Get to 750 likes on this stream.
And we don't give it right after this. Don't be shy. Click the like. It's free.
Yeah, it's free. Free to like. This is 4-hour relative equal highs from Warrior.
People are complaining.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it counts that I'm going, okay, then you don't need to win them. Okay.
People don't like free things. No matter what, people are going to complain. They're mad that the price action is sideways. Oh boy.
I'm happy,
this is
guys.
not the best, but like I feel like every time I stream, there's price action like that. Like every time there's like a collab stream, which is okay because then we can talk about psychology. And stuff.
Yeah.
Listen, it's very important to have something outside of the markets because I remember when I was so isolated just trading, and every time I take a loss, I'd feel it more personally because I had nothing going for me after trading. I was just like, oh, I gotta make that back. I gotta finish my day because I would make my whole mood of my day dependent on my P&L. And I feel like when you emotionally detach from not just your P&L, but from trading in general, it's a lot easier to even bounce back from your losses, take trades. And if the market just doesn't want to deliver like it is right now, you have no emotion towards it because you trust that statistically you've survived through these periods of drawdown, through these losing days. One losing day is nothing. But let's say it's a losing month. Even good traders get losing months. It's still nothing, right? Look at the bigger picture. If you think about it, what I think about it is my P&L chart is the stock market. You look at the NASDAQ, how many days do we have a 10% down? COVID, 10% in pre-market. Tariff news, crazy crashes, but we still ended up higher, right? So it's the temporary drawdowns that create enough liquidity for you to push your P&L higher. The tax. Losses are taxes.
business expense. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Please, market makers, do something.
Have mercy. I honestly was expecting Thursday to be cleaner price action. We failed at midnight open and 4 hour broke some on the 1 minute. Then we had zero continuation, so that's annoying.
Yeah.
Like what is the market wait? What is it? What is the market waiting for? Honestly, they're waiting to see the Supreme Court ruling on tariffs, and they've been like not ruled on. Every time there's like, oh, maybe at 10 a.m. they'll rule.
Also, guys, it's first quarter of the year. It's normally consolidation. So, first 3 months, it's consolidation. In other 3 months, normally manipulation, then distribution and continuation. So, yeah, I would say that's perfectly fine to get high frame consolidation and price action like this. So, just, if you're normally trying to aim for 2-hour trades, 3-hour trades, right now, maybe like 1 hour is all you need.
Yeah, sometimes that's honestly when I was doing January was a good month for me, and I was honestly just going for like 1 hour, 1.5 hour.
That's why I'm doing this once in last month.
January was actually started terrible for me, but then I actually made a lot of money in January at the end of the month. I got like 6 winning trades in a row that were all over 4R, and
this feels a lot like kind of like yesterday. I mean, no, yesterday it was already way up by now. Oh my gosh, it's already 11. Let's see how many likes. 650 likes. If we get 100 more, then we'll start the giveaway.
Let's go.
Jack, come on.
Oh, Alan Emmanuel, thanks for a donation. 3 of my life. That's sweet. Thank you.
Yay.
Someone said, don't get high on your own supply. What's that even mean, bro? What's the supply? Trading? Everyone wants to know, Ben, are you still in?
I am.
I think he is.
I am.
We are back in this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Let's see, from here to here. That isn't above 50%. It's just annoying.
Mm-hmm. Where's your stuff?
Don't tell them.
I can't say it.
So you guys can know.
Market makers. I'll tell you when I get stopped out, so you know.
You guys know, if you trade ICT concepts, you should know like around where his stop is going to be.
Ben, can you explain the entries between turtle soup entries and breakage structure fair value gap? So turtle soup is the first presented entry that forms on a reversal. It's an internal range liquidity sweep targeting your external range draw on liquidity. For me personally, I look for turtle soups only after specific times of days where manipulation tends to happen. So break of structures or market structure shifts is after price action takes a form of liquidity, it will shift structure, so form market structure shift or break of structure, then form an inefficiency in that range, then fill it. So that's the 2 different things. Usually you find your turtle soup entry first. And then it goes to market structure shift or value gap, and then it goes IO-Fed. And you just don't, if once it trades to let's say you're reports and it trades to a discount, to your draw, you just stop looking.
Yeah, maybe what happens if it finally breaks lower after 11?
Then I'll cash out. I'm still in my trade.
Yeah, what time's your flight, Ben?
Oh, it just got delayed another 2 hours, so it's like 9 o'clock. I hope I get in time to stream tomorrow. That's all I care. When I was in Miami, my flight got delayed 7 hours, and I got at the airport 2 hours before, and I still managed to.
Respect.
But my chat will know. They'll see my eye bags and they'll like, Ben, you didn't sleep.
Any giveaway, yes. Once we hit 750 likes on the stream, so we just need 60 more likes, and we'll
Come on, guys.
start the giveaway.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Yeah, the flight to Canada is not bad from New York City. It's probably like an hour. And
So
to
50
Florida.
minute flight time.
And then Lumi is
Florida.
2 hours probably.
Yeah.
2.5 hours.
Yeah, and so
Your flight's at 1?
3:41.
Oh, 3. Oh, God, we're fine then. But, yeah, so maybe if we enter into a trade, if it keeps going lower, we'll probably continue to stream.
Yeah.
If I get into it too, especially. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have enough time and be close to the airport. Okay. Let me just get my water. Thank you.
Yeah, it's like I guess 2 hours, a little bit more than 2 hours to fly. It's okay. You live in New York? Nope. Nope. Then I'm going to go to stream. I'm going to stream tomorrow in the trader.
Okay.
Yeah. It's going to be at 11:30.
Go down.
Please.
I like that inefficiency reaction on 1 minute, but still, it's in a consolidation. It's just a flat line right now. Looks like if you scan that price action, you'll get 90% off your Apex evals with code Tanya. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, we just need 5 more likes and we'll have to do the giveaway.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
I'm in profit. I'm
5
almost
more.
in profit now. So if we get the breakout.
Oh, yeah.
Terrible entry on my half. I will apologize for that, guys. But they can see it. They can see it on Tanya's tools.
Yeah, can I explain NinjaTrader Prop? NinjaTrader is my preferred platform for prop firms. Like, I always choose Tradeovate, and then I go on NinjaTrader on my desktop, and I link all the Tradeovate accounts, and then I could easily copy trade. I've been using NinjaTrader for a long time, like since 2021. What year is it now? 2026.
NinjaTrader is one of the best platforms, I would say. It's like
I used to use Trader with their One Love.
yeah. It's, what copy traders do you guys use on NinjaTrader? I use Replicon.
Yeah, I use Replicanto. Yeah, you can copy trade using Tradeovate accounts in NinjaTrader. So this is what I need to do is see if this 5 minute gets inverted. Then I will probably enter the trade. If it doesn't, it might just be chop fest.
I think we should do this giveaway, guys. Got the 800 likes.
Sounds good to me. Trade to Win says he's been using NinjaTrader for 10 plus years. All right.
Wow. We have a vet in here. 10 years ago, I was 9 years old.
Copy on Tradeovate platform, you can do group trading there, but you cannot copy across different prop firms. You can copy, for example, Tradeify only, Epix only, Lucid only. So, yeah.
And what inspired you to get into trading at 13 years old? I've always made sure I had mentors. My football coach, who then turned into my quarterback coach, I used to be a professional video gamer, and when that failed, I made quite a bit of money in that. But then when I quit that, I was like, I have nothing else going for me because I didn't go to school. He put me on trading, and I loved it. So there goes the reaction.
What were you saying at 13 year or what?
I was playing.
I was a professional. Oh, okay.
With dolls? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I feel like I was kid.
Yeah. When I was 13? Oh, I don't know. I was doing Taekwondo.
What game did I play? I played Fortnite, guys.
All right, you guys, I'm going to start the Google form.
and then we'll post it in the chat.
Worst price action ever? Yeah, it's not the greatest.
Monitor. This is a vertical monitor, so I like it. Like it's actually a vertical monitor. Yeah, you guys, I don't like that 5-minute wick at all. So I'm not entering the trade. Ben's still in his trade though.
Use Samsung.
Okay. Okay. Is talking? Can you just...
Well,
Yeah. So, yeah, you guys, I'm gonna put out the Google form. Unfortunately, today is much choppier than I expected. I'm not happy. But, whatever. You gotta let your probabilities play out.
yep. Yeah, normally.
Is this your phone? You have
Yeah,
two phones?
Yeah. This one is nice, by the way, because I can
Why do you
trade.
have two phones?
I'm going to show you right now.
Do you trade on...
I'm going to...
Whoa! You have 3 phones technically.
Yeah, technically. So you can just unfold this and trade from your phone. It's like charts. It's easy to draw levels here. I like it. It's Samsung. Yep.
Okay, that's right. Still not out of that range though. Oh.
Do you see what's happening?
It's Fold 7. Like it. I used to have Fold 6 as well, but this one is better. When I trade like gold in Asia, I always use this phone. See this? Like easy to see charts, right? So cool.
I still can't believe that ICT is not in the stream.
He hates you, bro.
Maybe
He honestly just does not like me.
It's because of you.
Yeah. This is the one chance that I had to.
Unbelievable. That is funny. Sorry, bro. He just don't like you.
Someone said he's short on gold. On gold, short will be nice. Where's my micro gold? Short. It's here. So we need to get strong closure below on 5-minute chart because I don't trade 1-minute chart. On gold, if we're going to get strong closure below 10 IM open, it can be short to New York midnight open. So I believe it's going to be a good trade. We didn't get this yet. So it's here something like this. We didn't get this yet. So waiting for the closure below 10 AM open. And 1 second, you probably can't see anything. First, you got it. You got it. Closure below 10 AM open on 5-minute chart. Short to New York midnight open. It can be a good trade on gold. Stop loss is quite big, around like 15 points if it's going to be trade idea. I wouldn't trade with more than 2-3 micros.
Post the form.
I'm doing it. I'm making it right now.
Still holding longs. I closed my long on. What is it?
Is it Ben SMC, by the way?
Benjamin_SMC. Now I'm thinking that I should have made my name Benny Trades.
Benny trades?
Yeah.
Did people call you Benny?
All the time. Benny and the Jets, that's what they say.
Okay.
Yeah, I really took trades from the very bottom to the top, and right after is just ugly consolidation.
Thank you, Nomo Foster. Appreciate it.
First name? So are these people... Oh, yeah, your YouTube. This is their YouTube name, right? It's not their channel. Let's see, go to channel. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, it's here.
Neon Miami now. So it's showing... Let's see, Stephen Webb. Channel.
It's showing the YouTube username. Okay, YouTube username. YouTube username. And then your email. And then copy link, publish. Anyone with the link, publish, for an URL. Alright, I'm going to put it in the chat right now. Okay, only one entry per person, or else, you know, you'll get banned and you won't be able to, get it. Settings, anyway, I make it only so that limit it to one response. Okay. Alright, I'm about to put in the chat, enter the giveaway. Right here. Hopefully that works.
Someone asked if you can copy project text on Replicante. No, you cannot.
No, you can't. We will. Going up again.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the most choppy action ever since 10 a.m. I honestly thought 10 a.m. was going to be manipulation, which we honestly did out over these highs.
I mean, it was my idea as well.
And then we'd have a nice distribution lower. Yeah, you were longing towards that.
Maybe PM can bring something cleaner, but honestly, the most important thing, and I guess the thing that you take away from, is you can't change the outcome of how the markets move, but what you can do is change the way you react. You can't change the outcome of how the markets move, but you can change the way you react to your wins and losses. Everything I did today is all my model. So that's why, here's the thing. I will get emotional when I take a trade that's not my model and it loses, because then I'll be like, why did I do that? Right? But everything that I know, for example, if my model statistically has 70% win rate over 5 years, I know that when I take a loss, I'm just in the 30%. Right? I'm just in the 30% of losses. I talked about it in one of my videos. I said that you have to win your losses. Winning your losses is either A, learning from them, or B, managing them properly. If you just lose and then you get upset about it and don't do anything from it and don't learn from it, you're actually losing losers.
True. Okay, enter the giveaway pinned in the chat. Alright. And then we will randomly pick people.
Yeah, how many?
What?
How many are we giving away?
Let's give away 10.
Do it.
Ooh.
10, guys. Yeah.
Someone's like double or nothing. You're out of the trade now?
Yeah.
Alright, so then it's time
day.
to do the giveaway. Time for the giveaway.
Giveaway.
Rest in peace to the Bears today. Alright.
Both can be good soon. The same. For short.
Alright. We have 300 plus entries so far. Enter. We're going to close it in a couple of minutes and choose the winners.
Everybody join that giveaway.
413 people have entered so far. I think this one's good. Oh, wow. Let's see if this... There's the-
Uncle Bob can be good some reports. Even broken
Yeah.
and open. I believe we can get, if not your good net token, but at least 5,007.
That's a very good level.
Let me see how big it is. Because I made $500 in my 535 pounds. Don't want to. That is a lot. New winner.
Okay. All right, you guys, we're ready to do the giveaway. Ready. We got the wheel all set up right here. Okay.
Oh wow, that's a
We
lot
put a lot of
people.
names in
Oh my
here.
gosh.
Yeah, you can't even see, but all your names are in here right now. Someone has Darth Trader as a name, I think. That's fun. All right, let's spin the wheel.
Let's go.
Winner number one is dun 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 dun. Let's see, we need some drum roll. All right, Mirage FX.
It must feel so cool to win one of these, like with that many people. That's
Mirage FX. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, let's search you in here. Mirage. All right, great. You only entered one. That's great. Cool. All right, spin again. Done. Dun 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 dun. Number two. Winner number two. Someone already said rigged. That's wild. Ed from Based. Okay. Ed. Congrats to Ed. Winner number two. We're giving away 10. We're giving away 10. Ed from... There we go. Great. I'm going to highlight you. All right. Counted. Done. Winner number two has been selected. Let's see the winner number three. Winner number one was Mirage. We're giving away 10 Apex accounts. You can click any size and any platform you want. Wiz Creations is number three. Congrats to Wiz. Someone said their name is missing. How's that even possible? You don't even know. You didn't see. Okay. No, I put everybody's in. You see over 400.
ICT just responded to our tweet saying thanks for dinner, and he says, what was on the plates?
Barbara Blackwell 889. Congrats to Barbara.
Yay.
Number 5. Winner number 5. Someone said, Lumi, your 88% stat confirmed today. Yeah, she made everyone take notes earlier.
Yeah.
Lumi's just egoing us all, eh?
Jagan 1301. Congrats to you.
I was listening to Bella this morning drinking coffee. I said you can bump here. I mean, together today.
These are the results so far, just saying.
It's like, guys, look at my entry.
All right, number 6.
Insane.
Never seen drinking coffee. I said it's going
So
to
you
be
get
nice.
more left than inefficiency?
Oh, yeah, I don't check for long at all.
Really?
Like, at all.
Son of Wall Street. I like that name. Winner number 6. Done. All right, number 7. Bum-ba-da-dum. This is actually, I like this. It shows all the 5 things.
Let's try this.
Christo MA 4099. All right, that was number 7. 3 more winners left.
Are you reading their emails or their names?
This is their YouTube username.
Oh, okay.
I hide their
Why
emails.
did you pop up their emails?
No, their YouTube username, so they're in the chat. I'm gonna put W. Woohoo! All right, let's see. Number 8. Winner number 8 is ICT Ian S16. Let's go. All right. 2 more. Let's see. 2 more winners.
No way, Barbara Blackwell won again. What the hell? That's crazy. Hey, I need to click high
Barbara's
choice.
a market maker.
She's a no way. That was such a crazy. What's that stat? Like there's so many names here. Okay, I hid your name. Sorry, Barbara. You can't. Yes, you went twice.
Oh, what?
No, I'm gonna search in here. Let me make sure into the Google Forms that you didn't enter your name. No, she only entered one time. That's crazy. Oh my god. Okay, that's wild. But you're only gonna win once. So, but honestly, you need to go play Lotto today, though, Barbara. That's insane. What the heck?
Ever won something in my life.
I know, right?
Even $5.
The
What the heck?
one that was a big brag was
Like, look at all the inputs here.
When I was like 16, and I won them.
There's so many.
Okay.
It just keeps loading the scroll
I
wheel.
don't know any proper things.
People want me to add more. All right, we can add. Let's see. We can add more people. Let's see. If you just entered, I know that I went to number 413, so I'll paste some of your names since we have last two people as well. All right, there we go. I'm gonna paste another 180 names in here.
Wow.
Paste. Okay. So it says up here. It should. It says 575 out of 576 because I hid Barbara's name. I should have not click hidden already for the other ones. But damn, Barbara Blackwell. All right, let's do winner number 9. Let's try that again. Wait, yes, yeah, winner number 9. We're trying that again. All right, Trader Hobeen. Congrats, Trader Hobeen. All right, and one more. ICT and said, I swear to God, I blow up my account today. Thank you. So he won another account. You're welcome. You got lucky. The Crypto Killers. Congrats to you. Honestly, I'm shocked that someone won the because you can see there it's what 5. Damn, what's the chance of that? It's like 0.2%. Wow. All right. Someone said, I'm starving. Can I win a McDonald's bag?
That's my mod.
I love that. Do another 10 giveaways are so many people. We'll do another one when I am on Ben's channel. How about that? All right. So check out Ben and Lumi. Thanks for coming today. Although today the market was very, very barcoded. It was gross. Yeah. At least we gave away some accounts, and it's always great to be with some fellow traders in person. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'll be streaming from the Dish Pit tomorrow. I'm lost everything. Kidding, guys. I said I'll be streaming from the McDonald's Dish Pit tomorrow.
Okay.
But I lost everything.
Oh well, it's just another day in the life. We rejected Midnight Open again. It's not really very directional today. So good luck at trading. I'm happy we gave away, and the winners we have your emails. We will send it out later today. Have a great day.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Shout out Alpine. Nice seeing you. Ciao.
Oh, Alpine's here. Shout out.